Once upon a time, extinction was final. When a species vanished, it was gone forever. But today, that line between life and death, between what was and what could be, is starting to blur. Because somewhere, in sterile white labs and humming gene sequencers, scientists are attempting what once belonged to gods and myths. They're trying to resurrect the dead. I began, like all great ideas, with a question. What if extinction wasn't forever? What if we could bring back the mammoth, the dodo, the thylacine? Not as memories, not as bones behind glass, but as living, breathing creatures once again. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not. It's called de-extinction, and it's already happening.